I'm Andy. I'm Brett. I'm going to be your PT today. And so today we're going to do a test called the upright motor control test, which is basically going to evaluate your hip flexor strength. So the muscles that lift your leg in a functional pattern. So you're going to be standing up, and then we're going to test how well you can lift your leg. This is really important in walking because that allows your leg to clear the ground. And so I saw you walk in today. So I know that you can stand up, you can walk by yourself. And we're just going to evaluate that strength and see what we need to work on.
Okay.
So to start with, we're going to do your stronger leg, your right leg. And so I'll have you stand up. And so what you're going to do is you're going to shift your weight onto your left leg, and then you're going to lift your right knee as high as you can 3 times.
Good. Extra.
Good. And then we'll test your left. So that was a moderate to strong activation on the right. It was a little bit hard to stabilize with that left leg, which is expected, but that looked pretty good. And so for this one, you should be pretty stable on your right side. I'll just make sure that your balance is there, and then Michelle's going to be behind you, keeping you upright. So you're going to lift that left knee as high as you can. Sit back down. So that's the completion of our test.
Cool.
After the test, we found that on your right leg, you're strong, you had good activation of that hip flexor. The left leg does struggle to stabilize when you're really standing on top of it, but the right hip flexors look strong. The left ones are probably moderate when it comes to this scale. You did lift, there was activation, but it wasn't that full range of motion with hip flexion. So we'll work on those left hip flexors and then the left hip stabilizers as well.